Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am Nikhil Rai and my team is here to present the presentation on my mini project. The project is on the event-driven workflow automation platform under the supervision of Mr. Dakshit Sharma sir. And uh, let me introduce my team first. I am Nikhil Rai as the project lead and system architect as well as backend developer. The second one is Dakshit Jha, who is a front-end developer for this project, followed by Aditi Sharma as database orchestrator and Daksh Singh as UI/UX designer. Now, let me introduce my project first. My project is a workflow automation platform where you can use different kind of nodes such as triggers, AI nodes, payment, forms, or multiple kind of things to make certain things happen. The project is mainly built up by Next.js, a popular React framework developed by Vercel. And as for the database, I have used Postgres database under the Neon backend as a service. And for ORM, there is Prisma, and the frontend is developed by React. Nodebase is an automation platform which simplifies the user tasks. It is built for efficiency and scalable solution. It also improves the productivity of a user by just doing a simple task. This is a literature survey. As you can see, we can compare it to Zapier, N8, Apache Airflow, and TensorFlow. This is the problem statement. There is nothing much to read, so you can just read it yourself. Now, the important part. There is the ER diagram. You can see the user workflow execution and nodes. They all interact with each other and share the data. The data is flowed in the form of directed acyclic graph, and there are different kind of nodes, and you can also see Google Form triggers, Stripe trigger, Discord, Slack, and AI nodes. These are all abstraction on the main technologies. And as for the feasibility study, there is technicality, economic feasibility, operational, legal, and schedule feasibility. You don't necessarily need any kind of specified hardware for it. As long as you can run basic software, it will run on your device. Now, this marks the end of my presentation, and let me show you some screenshots, and after that we will move toward the live demo of the project. This is the home page, or you can say it is a canvas where all the work happens. This is a payment gateway. I have used Polar for the payment. You can choose any amount of your liking to make it a product. This is a success page. We will come to it later when I will explain it. These are the kind of different type of nodes you can configure manually: Google Forms, Stripe, HTTP request, Gemini, OpenAI, Anthropic, Discord, and Slack. This is a credential vault. I will tell you about that later also. Now, let's go to the presentation. After that, let's move to the live demo. Now, this is the home page of our project. First, you have to log in inside it, and then you will come to it. Before making any workflows, as you can see on the home page, you have to buy the premium subscription, and you can see the billing portal over here. As I told you earlier, the Polar is integrated here as for, and the Node Pro is nothing but $699 a month. You can manage your subscription, change plans, and view the orders. You can also check your billing and your credentials. Now, let me go back and show you the working of it. Okay. Let us go to the AI testing workflow. There, you can see there are four different kind of nodes here. First one is manual node, for which you have to click on a button to trigger it. After that, there is a HTTP request node, which will fetch from your endpoints. After that, there is a Gemini node. It will take the data from HTTP request and then do some action on it and then pass it to Discord node. Discord node is a web, and after that, it will be shown in your channel. Let me show you a couple of configurations first. You can see this is the HTTP request node details. For Gemini node, you can see here, you can choose a variable name. You can use your own API. That's the coolest part about it. You can bring as many as API you want, whether it is Gemini key, OpenAI, Anthropic, or anything else. You can write a system prompt over here, and then you can use the variables from the previous nodes. There is a syntax which will tell you here. There is a syntax how you are going to use the previous values of the nodes. After that, you hit the save. Make sure to save from the top. And if you are thinking about how to add your API keys, then you have to go here. For example, there is one Gemini API key which is encrypted here. Let me show you. There's a name, type is Gemini. You can choose your OpenAI, Anthropic, or anything else. As for now, I have given the provision of these three different AI providers. And you can see the API key is encrypted because there is no way this much of length is possible in an API key. Let's go back to the workflow. Let us execute this one first. Before execution, always make sure to save your workflow. Now, when I hit the execute, you can see the real-time work on our project. Two nodes have completed their working, and the third node for the Gemini, which is an AI node, it is doing its work, and after that, the response will be pushed to Discord. And if it fails, we will know it. We will see an error, and after that, we can see our response in the Discord. Let me show while this is happening. Let me show you something there for the executions. As you can see, let me show you the previous attempt. As for there is one failed attempt and three success attempt. The failed attempt, it will tell you what actually went wrong and how you could troubleshoot it. You can see the API key is expired and please renew your API key. You can also see the traces. If you know what you are doing, then you can easily troubleshoot your problem. And let me show you one success response, which is just a couple of hours ago, 4 hours ago, and for the duration, it ran for the 6 hours. There is an event ID. You can see the Gemini response was this, the Discord was this, and for your HTTP call, the response was this. This HTTP response went to Gemini, and after that, Gemini created a summary for like a Lian gram, and then it passed to Discord. Let me show you how the message on Discord will be seen. Here, you can see for the node bot, you can see 4 hours ago, 11:03. The response you can see it is the same response as we just got there from our Gemini node. Similarly, you can also use Google Form hooks in different web apps. You can also integrate your Slack. Now, here we can see. Let me reload it first, and you can see the real time. At real time, there's one node running, and it could take couple of minutes to an hour depending on your situation. Even if your API is busy, it could fail. So that's for all. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I'm going to wrap up with that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.